Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we keep exploring the super handy Ionic Design Kit. This toolkit is a goldmine for app developers and designers, streamlining the way you work with its arsenal of pre-made elements. Let's dive in and see what makes it a must-have. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're diving into the exciting realm of coding, guided by some official Ionic documentation snippets. Right at the center, you'll notice the sleek layout, all made possible by the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've set up a phone emulator, poised to demonstrate the capabilities of our code in real time. If you need to take a closer look at any part of this guide, feel free to pause the video. Let's talk about a feature we're particularly excited about, the FAQ screen. It's designed to enhance user understanding, efficiently troubleshoot issues, and alleviate concerns. A well-structured FAQ screen leads to a more user-friendly interface, ensuring positive interactions between your app and its users. Built on the solid foundation of Ionic framework components, this design kit offers a treasure trove of pre-made elements ready to be integrated into your app designs. This means designers can simply pick and place elements without starting from scratch, streamlining the design process significantly. And for the developers watching, here's the best part. No complex coding is needed. Everything is sourced from the Ionic framework, allowing you to focus on bringing your app to life without the hassle of coding components from scratch. This means faster development times and a smoother workflow. For those of you who love getting into the nitty-gritty details, we've got all the code snippets and additional insights available on our website. Just hop over there to find everything you need to get started. Stay tuned for more guides in our series, where we'll delve deeper into mobile app development and showcase why the Ionic Kit is the essential tool you need. Thanks for joining us, and as always, happy coding!